Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Vidya. Today's topic is Ramsar sites in India. So let's begin. A wetland can be considered internationally important if any of the following 9 criteria apply. Criterion 1. It contains a representative, rare or unique example of a natural or near natural wetland type found within the appropriate biographical region. Criterion 2. It supplies vulnerable, endangered, or critical endangered species or threatened ecological communities. Criterion 3. It supports population of plant and or animal species important for maintaining the biological diversity of a particular biogeography region. Criterion 4. It supports plant and or animal species at a critical stage in their life cycle or provides refuge during adverse conditions. The criterion 5. It regularly supports 2000 or more water birds. Criterion 6. It regularly supports 1% of the individuals in the population of one species or subspecies of water birds. It supports a criterion 7. It supports a significant proportion of indigenous fishes subspecies, species or families. Life history stages, special interaction and or population that are representative of wetland benefits are and or value and thereby contributes to global biological diversity. The criterion 8. It is an important source of food for fishes, spamming ground, nursery and or migration path on which fish stocks either within the wetland or elsewhere depend. Criterion 9. It regularly supports 1% of the individual in a population of an species of subspecies of wetland dependent non-avian animal species. Why wetlands are called Ramsar sites? Ramsar is a city in Iran. Where is the Ramsar? It is a city in Iran. In 1971, an international treaty for the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands was signed at Ramsar. The convention mission is the conservation and wise use of all wetlands to local and national actions and international cooperation as a contribution towards achieving sustainable development throughout the world. So here are the list of wetland or the Ramsar sites in India. The first one is Asan Conservation Reserve, which is in Uttarakhand, and its area is 4.444 square kilometer. Istamudi Wetland, which is in Kerala. Bias Conservation Reserve in Punjab. Bhritikanika Mangroves, Orissa. Bhoj Wetland, Madhya Pradesh. Chandartal Wetland, Himachal Pradesh. Chilka Lake, Orissa. Deeper Bill, Assam. East Kolkata Wetlands, West Bengal. Harik Lake, Punjab. Hokoira Wetland, Jammu and Kashmir. Kabartal Wetland, Bihar. Kanjli Lake, Punjab. Kioladeo Ghana National Park. Keshopur Maini Community Reserve, which is in Punjab. Koleru Lake, Andhra Pradesh. Loktak Lake, Manipur. And Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary in Gujarat. Nandur Madhamveshwar, Maharashtra. Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary in Punjab. नवाबगंज बर्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश. पार्वती आगरा बर्ड सेंचुरी in Uttar Pradesh. Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Pong Dam Lake, Himachal Pradesh. Renuka Wetland, Himachal Pradesh. Roper Lake in Punjab. Rudrasagar Lake in Tripura. Saman Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh. Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh. Sambhar Lake, Rajasthan. Sandhi Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh. सरसाई नावर झील in Uttar Pradesh. Sastam Kota Lake in Kerala. And the Sundarban wetland in West Bengal. Surinisar Mansar Lakes in Jammu and Kashmir. Sur Sarovar, Uttar Pradesh. Tusokar Wetland Complex in Ladakh. Tusomiriya Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Upper Ganga River from Bridge Ghat to narrow stretch in Uttar Pradesh. Wemband Coal Wetland, Kerala. Wooler Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. So you can see the wetlands which are marked on the India map. As the first is the Asan Conservation Reserve. So it is here, as you can see it. Let me change the color of my pen. Yes, it's here. The second one, as I'm telling you the first four. So the Ashtamutti wetland, it is in Kerala and you can see it here. And the Bias Conservation Reserve, it is in Punjab, it is here. And the Bhitarkanika mangroves, it is here in Orissa. So the new Ramsar sites are Asan Conservation Reserve, which is in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. The Kabartal wetland in Bihar. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. Tusokar wetland, Leh and Ladakh, which is in Union Territory. Sur Sarovar, which is in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. So the date of designation is the Asan Conservation Reserve 21 July. The Kabartal wetland is same as 21 July. Lunar Lake is 22 July. Tasokar wetland is 17th November. And Sur Sarovar is 21st August. These all are the new added Ramsar sites in 2020. So here are the list of Ramsar sites state-wise. So these are the list which is mentioned as state-wise. Andhra, Assam, Gujarat, Himachal, Jammu, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. So thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel GK Vidya and don't forget to like, share and comment.